Dear all, welcome to Civil Services with ZAKI. Today we are going to discuss about the major geographical concept in the major geographical concept series video. So basically in this series we start with the geomorphology and basically the various phenomenon of the mountain building and all that. So today we start with the topic what happened when two continents are collide. So when the two continents are collide, so what happened? So let us move and see. Two continental mass may converge along the continent uh, boundary, and this type of boundary commonly called as continental collision, and it produces a huge mountain ranges like Himalayas and a huge mountain peak and high mountain peak like Mount Everest, and we see in this below picture. So see, this is what? This is our Himalayan range. So huge Himalayan range, and this is the world tallest mountain, Mount Everest. So these are the result of the continent collision. So we move forward and see what are the mechanisms involved in this phenomenon. So if you understand, they want to understand this phenomenon, so first you understand the upper layer of the earth or the lithosphere. Basically lithosphere is the upper mantle and the crust. Basically lithosphere made from the upper mantle and the crust, as you see here. So there are two type of crust, continental crust and oceanic crust. So basically oceanic crust is thinner and denser, and continental crust is thicker and lighter. So see what happened in the first phase. So if you see here, this is a large plate. So the large plate in the figure is partly oceanic and partly continental. It is not full continental or full oceanic. The oceanic part is being subducted to the right under the another continent at the convergent boundary. So what is convergent boundary? What is divergent boundary? If you know more about, if you want to know more about that, then you must join our class, our GS class or optional class in Mukherjee Nagar. So move forward and see that what happened in the second stage. So in the second stage, they basically subduct by the another side, and the two continents come to the closer each other. So see here, as the oceanic part of the plate continue to subduct, the two continents approach each other. So the magnetic activity occurs at the overriding plate above the subduction zone. So subduction zone is the boundary of the boundary between the two plates. Boundary between the two plates. So the edge of the approaching plate, it means another plate, is no such activity. Why such no activity present the another plate? Because they these continent at present at not the at the boundary. So it is not plate boundary yet. So see here, here. So what happened after they conserve subduct the all oceanic part and the continent come together? So see in the third phase. So third phase, if you see here the collision zone, then two continent collides. So after the collision, huge mountain range like Himalayas, Alps, etc. are made or formed. So see here, when the converging continent arrive at the subduction zone, it may particularly it may particularly slide under the other continent. So, or simply it is clog the subduction zone. As the two continents collide, so it is close the subduction zone. Because the two continents are thick and have the same density. So these two continents have same density, same thickness. So that's why neither can be easily subduct beneath the other and into the asthenosphere. As we first slide show you that where is asthenosphere, lithosphere. Basically, asthenosphere is beneath the lithosphere. So if you want to know more about, then you also write in the comment box and also join our class in the Mukherjee Nagar. So continental collision form enormous mountain belt and high plateaus such as Himalayas, Tibetan plateaus of the southern Asia. The Himalayas and the Tibetan plateau are still forming today. So they don't stop, they are still forming because the rising rate of the plate is about 5 millimeter per year as the continental crust of India collide with the southern edge of Eurasia. So in modern era, you can live track the continental speed by the satellite. So after an animation which we shown in the next slide, you also you can clear or your concept will be absolutely cleared by seeing this animation. So why the Himalayas continue to rise or Mount Everest rise? Why? Because it is a process. So what is the process? Process is called channel flow process. So what is channel flow process? So see here in the animation. So see, as we know that the all continent joined together about the 250 million years ago, as Wegener proposed the first the continental drift theory. So India collide with the Eurasia. So see here, see in the animation, India collide with the Eurasia and form Himalayan range. If we say the between the India and the Eurasia a ocean, and it is called Tethys Sea, and these Tethys Sea, so if you see the remnant of the Tethys Sea, it is a Mediterranean Sea. So see here the collide and form enormous mountain range. So see here, you can, if you go to the Himalayas and travel and see, you can clearly saw the folded mountain fold of the Himalayas. So see here in the animation, see here, this is the fold. So these folded mountain after the collision form this type, you see. So after the compression to the each other, some folded mountain fault means break apart. So see here, see here, so see here, this type of the breaking. So after they ride each other slides. So see here, so see here, here, or here, and the sum of the lithosphere go to the asthenosphere and melt it. So see here, and about if you see 20 million years ago, a conveyor belt formed in the Himalayas. So these conveyor belt, you see here, these conveyor belt is continuous rising. So that's why our Himalayas and the mountain in the Himalayas continue to rise, because this process is called channel flow process. So see here, this is channel flow process. So it is a cyclic process, so it is, and you see, okay, so see here, so see here, that's why our Himalayas is continuing to rise. So that's all about the two continent collision. So what is the result of the two continent collision? Our great mountain, great Himalaya. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you share this video and also subscribe my channel. So I request you share is this video in all your groups and share with all your colleagues who are presently preparing the civil services examination. As you know, our another series UPSC 2020 PT is also running. So this channel is basically dedicated to the civil services aspirant. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.